Hi there, this is Jingrui Yang JY2823, and this is the second video of homework 5 on question 7, the last question. This question asks us to match the pole zero diagrams with whose frequency response plots, just like the second video I uploaded last time on homework 4. And let's first look at the first diagram. We got two zeros and two poles here. We can write down the capital H of Z equation like this kind of style. The zeros at 0 and the poles, the first one and the second one, this is the RE to J theta, and this is R multiply E to power minus J theta. And we set the theta equals pi over 4 because it's likely at the middle of the this diagram. So we can look at, because the R here is not important in this question, but you can also set it to like 0.8 as you like. And in the frequency diagram, we can see that diagram 1 here is like the omega equals pi over 4, like 0.25. The 1 over, this is 1, and 1 over 4 is likely to be here. So the first zero pole diagram should be matched with frequency 1, and then we can have a look at the diagram 3 because they are similar plots. Only for the poles we move it from the pi over 4 to pi over 2, and also for this one move it down to here, and we get the zero pole diagram of 3. So here's their relations. So we can, for this question, we just set the 0 to be pi over 2, and which is really simple, and we can get diagram 5 here. You can see 1 over 2 at the middle of this axis. So after that, we can just have a look at the question 5 one by one. For these two poles, they're like these two poles at diagram 1, right? But it has another 0 and another pole here. The pole is at 0 with no imagination part. So we just add one 0 for this question. Like you see here, we just have the 1 over 4, but like in diagram 6, we have a 0 and also a 1 over 4. So just choose diagram 6, then the question will be done. Next, for question 2, diagram 2, we get the 1 0 and 1 pole here at like minus 0.9. So write down the HZ, and here we convert it to the E equation, and when omega equals 0, we get the H equals 0.53, and when omega equals pi, we get the H equals 10. So just look for the frequency diagram. Here, the fourth diagram, we can see when omega equals pi, we get a 10. and similar. For the fourth question, you just do a reverse of the pole. Move it from minus 0.9 to positive 0.9. So we just choose the second diagram. Just do the reversion. And for last diagram, we just choose 3. Choose the third diagram. The reason is also write down the capital Z of h of z function here, the zeros. For this time we change the zeros to this kind of style, but the poles are all zero. The poles, the zeros, and get the final equation. And also still when omega equals 1 we get a big H, and when omega equals pi we got another big H. So this is diagram 3 here and also here. 3, and this is 0.5. It's about 3 and 0.5 here, so just choose third diagram of frequency response. That's all.